Hi, it's Marcus here from O'Donovan Engineering. We're down in Cornwall today with Andrew Brewer on his farm here, who had the calf to beef barriers put in last year. Yeah, Andrew, how's things going with the barriers? How are you finding them?
They've worked really well. We wanted a barrier that could go from weaned calves up to finished bull beef, and it was something that was strong and robust.
Yeah.
And easily done, and we can just change it. You just have an electric drill, and you just undo the bolts, and
Yeah, matter of minutes.
yeah, matter of minutes we can change it from baby calves to finishing animals.
What sort of age are they coming in at then?
So they'd be coming in and starting using at about 8 weeks old.
Yeah. And then running
up through and up to finishing weight. Yeah, and that would be bull beef as well, so sort of 600 kilos.
Yeah. So you're just swapping the timbers over depending on the age.
Yeah. So that timber comes up out the way for baby calves, and then we just swap the barriers around and adjust down through the bolts to varying sizes.
And just one barrier that does everything.
Yeah, the one barrier that does everything.
Yeah. And it's kind of unique, but what's happening with the bedding here? Tell us about the bedding.
So it's like a deep compost bed.
Yeah.
It's a wood chip base, and then we cultivate it pretty much weekly.
Right. Okay.
And then add a bacterial product to stop the heat, and then it retains a lot of the ammonium, changes the ammonia in the urine into ammonium.
Right.
And so then it's a better.
You don't get any smell. Yeah.
No smell, so there's no ammonia in here to aggravate breathing.
And they're so clean.
And yeah, they keep clean. We allow a little more area than a standard bedded area.
Yeah.
But they just
But still
it's just easy care,
spotless, aren't
easy
they?
work. Yeah.
And you also went for the O'Donovan Engineering flipping drinkers.
Yep. Clean water is the base of a good ration. So yeah, and they're so easy to keep clean.
Yeah. They're just part of your daily routine.
Yeah, it's just part of the daily routine. Give them a quick tip out and go. So
Yeah.
they're on dusty finishing ration here. So
Yeah.
it's just so easy to keep it clean.
And it doesn't matter of minutes to fill with those valves in.
Yeah. The fast flow valves.
Yeah.
Yeah. So no, yeah, really pleased with it.
Well, thanks very much, Andrew.
Yep, thank you.
Thanks for inviting
thank
us
you
over.
very much.
I'm glad you're pleased with them.
Yeah, delighted, thank you.